In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create tags on Activecampaign. Tags are a simple way to organize your contacts and help you build more targeted automations later. If you are new to Activecampaign, this is an easy task and it sets you up for smarter segmentation right away. First, log into your Activecampaign account. Take a moment to make sure you are logged into the correct workspace, since tags belong to the account you are working in. Once you reach your dashboard or main interface, you are ready for the next step. Next, click on Contacts in the left-hand navigation menu. This area is where Activecampaign manages your contact list and where you can control organization tools that relate to people in your database. If you do not see it right away, look for the section that groups your contact-related features. Then select Contacts to open the related options. After you open Contacts, click on Manage Tags from the secondary menu. This menu is specifically designed for tag management, so it is the correct place to add something new. You should now see a screen that lists existing tags, if any are already created, along with options to create additional ones. Now click the Add Tag button in the top right corner. Placing the button in the top right makes it easy to find, and it is the starting point for creating a brand new tag. When you click it, the interface should switch into a mode where you can enter details for the new tag. At this point, you will type your desired tag name into the text field. Choose a name that clearly describes what the tag represents, because you will use it later when filtering contacts or setting up automation rules. Keep the wording consistent with any other tags you may already have, since that consistency makes your setup easier to understand over time. Once you have entered the tag name, click Save. This final step confirms the tag and adds it to your Activecampaign account. After saving, you should be able to see the new tag appear in the list, usually right away. If you do not immediately see it, take a brief second to let the page refresh, and then look again in the tag list. After saving, it is helpful to verify that the tag name is spelled correctly and that it appears as expected. This is a small check, but it saves time later when you start using the tag in automations. If you notice any typo, you can address it now rather than after you have already built logic around it. That covers everything you need to know. You have successfully created a tag in Activecampaign, and you can now use it to organize contacts and power more targeted campaigns. And that is all there is to it.